Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, and unfortunately I cannot see the timer option somewhere here highlighted. So we will have to unroll the top bar. Let's do it. So swipe your finger from the top to the center or to the bottom, and here unfortunately yes, here we've got the timer. So let's tap on it. Let's tap on this option, and as you can see we've got 4 different options, so off, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So simply tap on the option you'd like to use. I'll choose 10 seconds. As you can see, this icon changed slightly, so we've got the confirmation that the timer has been set. Well, what is more, after getting back to the keyboard, to the camera, you can see that the new icon connected with the timer appeared at the top, thanks to which we can actually check whether we've got the timer set. So all we have to do is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, of course, and after that time it will simply take a photo. To quickly turn off the timer, I believe we can simply tap on this icon and the timer is off, or of course you can do it kind of manually. Unroll the top bar, tap on the timer and choose this crossed out icon. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.